I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm actually going to be modifying my cross cart. I'm going to actually be taking the motor back off of it and then allow it to change the torque converter to a clutch so the motor can take all the power and go straight to the chain instead of having to go through a belt, because the belt keeps breaking and everything. So I'm actually going to paint this area black real quick, just this part, not the actual frame. So we had to move this plate over to the right a little bit so that we'll be able to move the whole engine over for the clutch to be lined up with the sprocket. So I'm going to have to finish welding over here and on the other side to finally get it to be stationary.
Trust, yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Okay, so we finally welded this side, and that thing ain't going anywhere. We hit it with the hammer a ton of times, and it ain't going anywhere. So now it's time to go on the other side and weld the other side, which is going to be more difficult because of all the stuff we gotta get through. So before I put the engine on, I want to actually wash this whole area, possibly repaint some of it, and I don't have to worry about broken belts anymore because I got a new clutch that came in clutch.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the side, but it's no use, 'cause you can't.
So I got this chain. It's 41. It's mainly for 10-tooth clutch. So this costed me about $28. So hopefully this should work. Yeah, it should. You don't think so? Uh-oh. We will deal with that clutch later. We don't know why it's burning up. We were trying to fix the torque converter to where it won't burn the belts off, but that causes us to have to take apart the whole torque converter. So here is the torque converter, or at least what's left of it. We took it apart and we're trying to figure out what is actually wrong with it. So I found these at a thrift store, and for both of these I got them for $7.50 for the pair. Yeah, it might be a little too big. Okay, so I finished painting this top roof black. Now it's all finished right there. The wing is finished, and that is finally dry, hopefully. I can actually add metal right here, across here, so it'll look a whole lot better on both sides. That might work, especially with those. It's actually kind of crazy how I'm using all the scrap metal for the cross-cart. All the metal was free except the two $7.50 the pair of metal vent things that costed only $7. And I totally forgot I actually need to clean off the tires and repaint them. I don't know. Maybe chrome would look better. That's gonna be it for today's video. I apologize if it's too short of a video. I don't have no clue yet, but I'm almost finished with the cross-cart. I'm really disappointed about the clutch situation. So if you like the video, like and subscribe. Thank you for everything. Like the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.